In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Assistive Touch on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to enable Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable Assistive Touch on Apple Watch, what you just need to do is press the two crown ones to exit the clock face, and then click on the settings icon on the app library. One of the settings, just scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to accessibility, then go ahead and click on that. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to motor, then under motor click on Assistive Touch. Then here you should see Assistive Touch allow you to control your Apple Watch using hand gesture. Then turn this on. Then instantly you should see a pop that says turn on Assistive Touch. Assistive Touch allow you to navigate Apple Watch using one hand gesture. Then scroll down and tap try it out. Then that's going to enable Assistive Touch. Then here you have option to configure your Assistive Touch. If you tap your hands like this, what do you want to happen? Then whenever you tap your hands twice, this is going to pick any call on your Apple Watch. Then there is also double tap. At the same time, there is clench. Is that? Then, so once you turn on Assistive Touch, the next thing you want to do is come down here and make sure you turn on hand gestures. Then turn on hand gesture. If this is disabled, then you can also configure the hand gesture here. So that is how you can easily enable or turn on Assistive Touch on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.